Hey guys, so I'm recording a video today. It's going to be short, but I had a couple people want me to talk about prismatic evolutions because yesterday we saw restocks of the PCTBs. I think the booster bundles went back up on the PC as well. Lots of people got these, which is great. And that's really my opinion. It's awesome. I'm glad people got product at MSRP. Either way though, right? This is a great buying opportunity. If you guys got in on this, if you had Poke Notify, another notification service, you got in there, you got some boxes, awesome, okay? But that's not the point entirely of this video. The point is that a lot of products are getting reprinted right now. Prismatic Evolutions, you can see the regular ETB has dipped from around 140 into the 120s, and their sales as low as like $99.99, $100 from yesterday. So today, I think they're up a little bit, most sales in that 120 range. But I'm sure if you look either on TCG Player, maybe your local store, eBay, wherever, right? Like there's going to be plays and opportunities to buy this product. And this is going to be the time where everyone who is talking big, planning to get into these sets, this is going to be your opportunity, right? This is going to be when a lot of people maybe are getting ready for summer, they're not spending as much money on the hobby. You're going to have a chance to get some of these products at a massive discount. I think already at $140 in ETB, Prismatic was a discount just based on how much value was in the set, especially in the top 10, 20 cards. Remember, if we looked at that, the 11th to 20th highest value cards was higher than any other SVR sets top 10 value, which is just ridiculous to think about. So even if these come down to around $100, even if a lot of the cards basically slash in half, which I don't think is going to happen, we will see pullbacks on a lot of them, obviously, but to think that we're going to see a 50% reduction in cent value probably isn't likely, but even if that happened, it would still be undervalued. And it's not just the regular ETBs, you can go get the booster bundles as well. Keep an eye out for these. 151 booster bundles, guys. I mean, these have been restocking for a very long time. If you look at the 6-month chart, we had a big dip here in December. A lot hit the mark in December. That's when I actually got my booster bundles, or at least the majority of them. But we've been just sitting in this range of around $60 to $65 for months at this point, and that's because so much product's hitting the market. Now, do you think when they stop doing restocks of 151 booster bundles that these are going to be $60 essentially, or $65, around $10 a pack? No, these are going to go up. So even buying these at like $60, right? If you have a long-term vision for 151, you can find a good deal on these. Do you really think these are going to be cheaper in 3 to 5 years? Probably not. And when I say probably, I mean there's probably a 95% chance they're not going to be cheaper in 3 to 5 years. That's just my opinion. And then finally, Surging Sparks. These booster boxes are down into the 240s. You do have sales all over the place, though. Up to 260 cases are selling for today, but you have sales from yesterday down to 250. And so I don't know. It's averaging out. If you can find a decent deal on this as well, I mean, sure, we're probably due for another reprint eventually. It's only been out like 6 months, around that. So maybe you want to wait a little bit longer on this. I would probably prioritize Prismatic, but keep your options open. Even 151. I mean, maybe Prismatic, maybe 151. Those are a lot closer than I'd say Surging Sparks. But the point being, this is going to be an opportunity for a lot of you guys that haven't built positions in these sets to build a position in these sets. And I'm not saying this as someone who has massive positions in these sets. I have decent sized positions in Prismatic and 151, a little bit smaller position in Surging Sparks, but I'm trying to tell you guys, don't wait. This is going to be a good chance. And even though it's still going to be far above MSRP for Prismatic and 151's already above MSRP, you're still getting a decent price considering the set value, considering the cards inside, and considering where we're at in the hobby. But that's all I'm going to say in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.